how to change Shopify store theme. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can change your Shopify store theme. So the process is pretty easy. Simply open up Shopify and open up your store, and now from over here on the left side click on online store. Now as soon as you click on online store, well, now from over here simply click on themes and you guys are gonna see this page. So now from over here you can click on customize, or you can simply change this theme altogether. Scroll down and now click on explore free themes or visit the Shopify theme store. Now you guys can choose to go to both of these locations. I'm gonna go to explore free themes, and now you guys can choose any one of these themes and you guys will be able to just simply click on them and you guys can simply add them to your theme library. Now these themes are gonna appear in your theme library and you guys are gonna be able to simply use them on your Shopify store and apply them with just one click. So I'm gonna give it a few seconds while this theme installs, and then as soon as this is installed, well, I will be able to start using this particular theme for my Shopify store. So guys, this is how you can add themes on your Shopify store. So I'm gonna simply click on add and I'll click on preview, and now this is what this particular theme is gonna look like on my store. And to apply this theme, simply click on publish and this particular theme is gonna be published on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching guys. This was the video. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.